Hello guys, greetings from Accra, Ghana. As you know, we are the tourists. We're right here in Ghana's only airplane restaurant, as you can see behind us. See it, look at it. This has a big history because the first time I went to the United States, I actually flew on this plane. It was a DC-10. It was a gem of Ghana. Today, it's been retired and it's a restaurant. See it? So we're gonna go in and see what kind of food they have. I heard they have local African dishes, but local Ghanaian dishes and African dishes, but we're gonna go in and try and see what they have. I'm gonna take my lovely wife in there to go try some African food. What do you think, baby?
I'm hungry. I don't know about you guys, but I'm inviting you guys to come in. Let's go and try the food and eat with us.
Come on, let's go. When you're in Ghana, make sure you come here. All right, this is the only restaurant airplane in Ghana. All right, so come with us. Let's go. Welcome to DC-10. As you can see, you still have the business class seats and everything. So nice. But just like it was when I first got on this plane. Thank you so much. We're hungry. You have food for us?
Yes.
Thank you. So guys, when you come to Ghana, make sure you come here. It's beautiful. So nice. We're going to tell you about the food too. And it's COVID time, so you need hand sanitizers.
And your mask, very important. Carry your mask everywhere you go. Safety first. Prevention is key to success.
Thank you. Yes, as you can see, we're in business class at the moment, and that's the economy. So we're going to take you guys to economy. Alright, so come with us, let's go eat in economy. And look, they still have the original flight attendant just for you. See? Same thing. The flight attendant for today, right? Come on in, let's go to economy. Alright? What do we say? This is still the same. Just that they change the chairs around. You see it? And still have the same economy seats right here. Look at that. Here's that they took everything from the middle out and put them on the sides. Right?
Alright guys, so we invite you to come and eat with us. This is the actual local Ghanaian dish. It's called banku with tilapia, grilled tilapia. This is actually made of cassava and corn mixed together, and they made it like into a dough. And here what we call is shito, which is like pepper made out of ginger and onions and some other spices mixed together. And then this one is onions and tomato crunched up. Looks a little bit like guacamole kind of mashed up. And you eat it together with the cassava dough, mix everything together with the fish. And I'm about to start because I don't know about you guys, but I'm super hungry. Are you ready?
I'm ready. And as you can see, my brother ordered jollof rice with grilled chicken.
So nice. The cassava dough is a little bit sour, but when you add the pepper to it, the shito and the blended pepper with the fish, it flows so perfect. So nice.
Especially with the S-P-O-O-N, spoon.
Yes.
Alright guys, the food was good. We really enjoyed it. What do you think about it?
Oh, it was amazing. I'm so full, I don't even know what to say.
As you can see, there's nothing left, just bones. The fish. Alright, so right now we're full, we can't talk anymore, so we're gonna let you guys go. We need to go take a nap right now. The food was excellent. Alright, so whenever you're in Ghana, try out the DC10 restaurant. Alright?
Try the Banku and tilapia. We want to go local food, local Ghanaian dish.
Banku and tilapia, like she said.
So
Perfect. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos, alright? See you guys later.